Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Google Chrome language. Okay, so let's say you accidentally turned on Japanese language, Filipino language, or a Hangul language and you don't know how to fix it. Well, you don't have any problem at all if it is your lingua franca or your first language. But let's say if it doesn't, then let's fix it. Okay, so let's get started. First is you need to go to the upper right side of your screen, and as you can see it has this three dots. Click on that and then scroll down and look at this gear icon here. Just click that, and once you click that gear icon, you are actually being redirected to your settings. Okay, here at the left side, just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, starting from here, just count on 7 and look at this A icon, which contains the languages. Okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Click on that, and here you can see here an oblong icon. Let's look like a bar icon, and then just have to click on that. And then here, you need to select the language that you prefer. I mean, your first language or the language that you understand. Okay, let's go to the universal language, which is English. Let's search that. Okay, or if you don't see any, just simply click here and type English. And here you can select either English in Australia, English in Canada, or English in India, Ireland, New Zealand, or South Africa, or in UK. So let's go for this UK. Click that and then click this blue one here. And once you click that, the moment you click that, you need to click this three dots here and then mark this one checked. Okay? So once you check that, you need to click this one. And then you need to open again your Google Chrome and you will be redirected to your Google Chrome. And now your language is now in English. Okay. So isn't just that amazing, right? So those are the steps that you need to follow to change your language settings. Okay. So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day, everyone.